Hi guys, this is another padlock picking video for you. This is a Federal F series. It's a 50mm padlock, 5 pin key. There you go, working fine. Show you the bitting. Nothing special on this at all, apart from pin 3, which is quite high. It is full security pins. I don't believe that there's serrated pins and I can't really detect any. So do believe that there's perhaps spools in this. I'll give it a go, or mushrooms, I'm not sure. Let's see a new bit. Okay. I'm going to be using the Peterson gem. But attention. That was pin 2. Pin 3. Pin 4. Pin 5. Over set number 2. Got that back. Pin 5. Course just turned. Oh, it's opened. Guys, this lock has really been camera shy. I'm so happy that I got it on camera. Cheers guys.